What is your name?
My name is Shumam Shri.
My name is Harsh Mishra. My name is Omuktu and I'm from Howrah.
Hi, I am Rukmini Ghosh.
My name is Aroma Shish. I'm from CSC AI.
My name is Anis Paraksha.
My name is Arijit Ghosh.
My name is Saurabh Kumar Chaudhary.
What's your name?
My name is Prabal Chaudhary.
Apnoja Sarkar.
And which department are you in?
I'm in biotechnology.
I'm from Computer Science Engineering, second year. C.
I am in chemical engineering department, second year.
EC1. I'm from EC1. Second.
You're from
second.
EC1.
Third sem. And
My department is Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Yours?
My department is Computer Science Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning.
chemical engineering.
Right.
What are you expecting from the college?
Yeah, the placement will be good.
Okay, that is why you've chosen
Yeah.
HIT.
सैलरी कितना लोगे भैया डिस्कस कर लें
I hope our professors treat us well and give us proper guidance.
अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है.
Not really, because it has really matched up to my expectations.
Better food.
Better food.
Yes.
Also, it's going
That
great.
might end up in a disappointment in the hostel.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ
Obviously, পড়াশোনাটা definitely একটা আছে তার সাথে co-curricular activities whichever he'll be liking must go for it and at the same time good gelling with the seniors.
আচ্ছা and তোমার ওই তো যে to play for the departmental football team and if possible if lucky enough to play for the college team.
हाँ बिजी थे क्या किया दिन भर
वो कॉलेज में लड़की लोग का बोर्ड सेट किए फिर राइवल कैंडिडेट बहुत डेयरिंग दिखा रहा था उसको तोड़े अब ठीक है
like not keeping so much high expectation but not even like that I have no expectation I have expectation from teachers especially and seniors.
Yes.
Who else?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
How is the college so far?
As of now, it's great actually.
Yeah. No, I have come, then I will do. No,
Okay, did you go around the campus?
No, I have not.
Okay, okay.
The college experience is very good. In the first year, I have attended about out of 180 days, 160 days,
Okay.
and I scored 9.4 CGPA in final examination.
Stop it. Get some help.
All the teachers are very good. They teach us very politely and they teach us how to explain, how to learn all the C program languages.
One eternity later.
The vibe is very lively and everyone is cooperating really well, so I like the ambience a lot.
I like the college so far. I like the cooperation of the teachers very much. When they came up to me when I asked for them, they were quite liberal and quite into the students. They were not getting irritated so easily. But what we all expected because हम लोग सारे को irritate हो चुके हैं इतनी गर्मी में. But they were all like हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
Yes, the campus is good. Let's see what happens.
have you checked it all around
अभी तक नहीं किया but এখনো করিনি তো আজকে ফার্স্ট ডে এখন হস্টেল অ্যালটমেন্ট নিয়ে সব হলো
अच्छा कौन हॉस्टल पे
P2 रूम नंबर
मजा आया
It was nice coming here. I saw the campus, whole campus. I was here from last 3 days. I was watching the campus. It was all beautiful. Also, I have watched the outside areas, the stalls and all. It was awesome.
तोबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
How how is your transition from online to offline mode?
Yeah, it will be difficult because we have studied in online way and we have to give exam in offline way.
Yeah.
So it will be hard.
How are you coping with it?
As I'm going to study in offline exam, offline classes more. So I'm not.
As of now, I haven't faced any online classes as of now, so let's see what happens.
Okay, you are in second year, right?
Yeah.
So you did not do your online classes in second year?
No, just for a few months actually.
Вона собі шоколадку купила, гадіна. З'їла сама шоколадку. А я що робить? А що, мені дивіться, як вона їсть шоколад, я теж може хочу шоколад.
पूरा बचपन बर्बाद.
It's a bittersweet feeling actually because we were having some perks of online classes, but in offline we are actually getting to know and study the real things and experience the actual engineering life.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी। ओ भाई, मारो मुझे, मारो मारो मुझे, मारो।
Quite nervous, way too nervous because we all were so much used to it. You know, the classes were online, so sometimes we were able to use the washrooms, we were able to eat the food, but now we all have to get disciplined, back into the disciplinary mood after 1.5 years.
Like it's a mixture of feelings, both the excitement and nervousness working, but more of an excitement to explore the college physically.